stop is going to be Toontown Depot. As always, please remain seated, keeping your hands and arms, feet and legs inside of the train. Please supervise children, making sure they're seated away from the doorways and away from the edge of the bench. Also, please make sure to keep your face coverings on at all times during our journey, and please no eating or drinking on the train. Thanks.
To those just joining us, welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. To ensure a safe ride, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids. We're now entering Splash Mountain, rumored to be the location of an overhead traffic house. And look real hard, just confirmed. It's where the critters are sunbathing. Speaking of critters, this place we're passing over is home to a whole bunch of them. Here in Critter Country, you can join Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, Brer Rabbit, and Brer Bear on their fun-filled adventures. As we steam past Hungry Bear Restaurant, last outpost in these parts, we're now joining up with the Rivers of America and entering the frontier as it looked more than a century and a half ago. This is my favorite part of the journey. Around every bend, there's natural beauty as far as the eye can see.
Ladies and gentlemen, please make sure that you keep your hands, arms, feet, legs, and recording equipment inside the train cars. Thank you.
There is the revered Indian shaman sharing his stories with those in the Great River Valley below. People like you have been riding these trains, traveling through nature's wonderland in a matter of days, rather than the months it used to take by mule or stagecoach. Steam power not only fueled these iron horses, but the dreams of a whole new generation as it moved west into this great frontier. Of course, some of those dreams and the stories that went with them were pretty darn wild and downright unbelievable, like on Big Thunder Mountain, where I hear that mysterious spirits have grabbed hold of those mining trains and turned them into the wildest ride in the wilderness.
Up ahead at our next stop, Toontown Depot. That'll be your stop for making Toontown and Fantasyland, including It's a Small World and the newly revamped Snow White and the Wish. Don't forget that the Disneyland Resort does end the service earlier than normal. It's going to be ending service around 2:30, so if you'd like to ride the train, please prepare to go on the 30 today. Anyway, please remain seated so we're going to get full until the stop is finished.
These tunnels signals our transition from the frontier to another kind of community, the one you'll find on Mickey and Minnie Mouse. Our next stop is Toontown Depot, official train station from Mickey's Toontown. Cartoon home where Mickey, Minnie, and all their friends live. Toontown Depot is also the gateway to Fantasyland, where you'll find many of your favorite Disney animated characters and stories. If you're leaving us here, please wait until the train comes to a full stop. Remember your personal belongings and step carefully from the train. Have fun and say hi to Mickey and Minnie for me. Those of you continuing on with us, we'll be resuming our trip in just a moment. This is Toontown Depot, Mickey's Toontown.
Once again, please remain seated until the train makes its full and complete stop in the station. This is Toontown Depot, your gateway to Fantasyland.